How can you dramatically increase your push-up numbers fast without fancy equipment, extreme routines, or burning yourself out? And instead use intelligent training principles, better movement quality, and simple habits that compound rapidly into visible, measurable results that you can feel in your body and see in your performance. This question matters because push-ups are one of the most common and accessible measures of upper body strength and endurance, used in fitness challenges, athletic testing, military and law enforcement standards, and everyday training. Yet they are also one of the most misunderstood exercises, with many people stuck at the same number for months or even years simply because they approach them with the wrong strategy. Increasing push-ups quickly is not about suffering through endless max effort sets every day, nor is it about following viral challenges that promise miracles while ignoring recovery, mechanics, and adaptation. It is about understanding how the body learns movement, how strength endurance is built, and how small improvements made consistently can unlock far more repetitions than most people believe possible. The first place where rapid gains come from is technique, because inefficient form acts like a brake on performance, forcing muscles to work harder than necessary and causing fatigue to accumulate faster, whereas clean, efficient push-up mechanics allow force to transfer smoothly through the body and reduce wasted energy on every repetition. When the hands are placed slightly outside shoulder width, the fingers spread for stability, the elbows track at a moderate angle instead of flaring wide, the core and glutes remain engaged to keep the body in a straight line, and the chest reaches the ground under control, each repetition becomes more economical, and this alone can add several repetitions to a max attempt almost instantly without any change in strength. Many people unknowingly shorten the range of motion, relax the core, crane the neck, or rush the tempo. And while these habits may feel easier in the moment, they increase instability and fatigue over time, limiting how many total push-ups can be completed in a set. Once technique is addressed, the fastest improvements come from frequency rather than intensity, because push-ups respond exceptionally well to repeated practice performed below the point of failure, allowing the nervous system to refine coordination and efficiency while minimizing soreness and recovery demands. This approach works because the body adapts not only by growing stronger muscles, but also by becoming better at using the strength it already has, and frequent exposure to the movement teaches the brain that push-ups are familiar and manageable rather than threatening and exhausting. Performing multiple small sets throughout the day, each stopped well before failure, reinforces proper mechanics and builds endurance without creating the deep fatigue that slows progress. And over time, these manageable efforts accumulate into a higher capacity for longer, harder sets. This method also builds confidence because push-ups stop feeling like a single intimidating test and instead become a normal movement pattern that the body handles repeatedly without stress. Variety plays a crucial role in accelerating progress, not because complexity is required, but because slight changes in leverage, tempo, and difficulty strengthen weak links and raise overall capacity, making standard push-ups feel easier by comparison. Easier variations allow higher volume and better quality practice, while slightly harder variations build strength at the top end. And when these are rotated intelligently, progress accelerates without overwhelming the joints or nervous system. Slowing down the lowering phase increases time under tension and reinforces control. Pausing briefly at the bottom builds strength in the most difficult position, and adjusting body angle shifts load in a way that develops pressing strength without external weights. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Supporting muscles often determine push-up performance long before the chest does, and ignoring them is one of the main reasons people plateau, because weak triceps fail early, an unstable core leaks energy with every repetition, and insufficient shoulder stability forces smaller muscles to overwork and fatigue prematurely. Strengthening these supporting systems does not require long workouts, but it does require consistency, because even a few minutes of focused work on core tension, shoulder control, and triceps endurance dramatically improves how efficient each push-up feels. Recovery is another underestimated factor in increasing push-ups quickly, because progress happens when the body adapts to stress, not when it is constantly overwhelmed, and pushing to complete failure every day may feel productive, but often leads to stalled numbers, lingering soreness, and declining performance. Stopping sets with a small margin left in reserve allows more total quality work over the week, keeps technique sharp, and preserves motivation, while incorporating lighter days and at least one full rest day gives the body space to adapt and come back stronger. Sleep amplifies all of these effects as it directly impacts muscular repair, coordination, hormone balance, and mental focus, meaning that consistent, adequate sleep often results in immediate improvements in push-up performance without any change in training volume. Nutrition and hydration further influence how many push-ups you can perform because insufficient calories reduce recovery capacity, low protein intake slows tissue repair, and dehydration increases perceived effort and muscular fatigue. So eating enough to support training and staying hydrated can reveal strength and endurance that were already present but hidden by systemic fatigue. The mental side of push-ups is equally important because high repetition sets challenge focus and discomfort tolerance, and learning to control breathing, relax unnecessary tension in the face and neck, and mentally break large numbers into smaller segments allows you to push further without panic or wasted energy. Instead of thinking about how many repetitions remain, focusing on the quality of the current repetition keeps effort steady and prevents the mental spiral that often causes people to quit early. When all of these elements are combined into a simple but consistent approach that emphasizes quality movement, frequent submaximal practice, intelligent variation, and sufficient recovery, results tend to appear much faster than expected, with many people adding a substantial percentage to their maximum repetitions in a short period of time. This rapid improvement does not come from magical transformation, but from aligning training with how the body actually adapts, replacing random effort with deliberate practice, and building capacity through repetition rather than punishment. The key to increasing push-ups fast is respecting the movement enough to practice it often, understanding your limits well enough to avoid unnecessary failure, and trusting that small, high-quality efforts repeated day after day accumulate into significant gains. Over time, what once felt exhausting becomes manageable, what once required intense effort becomes routine, and eventually you discover that your push-up number has increased not because you forced it upward through suffering, but because you built a foundation strong enough to support it naturally, efficiently, and sustainably. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.